Jack to ingoa. My name is Jake.
And Morena Winton School called Jorjia ahau. I'm Jorjia. Welcome back to the N.E.W.S news for our upper, the 16th of October.
Sunsmart news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate.
You need to have your Potae on as of today. If you don't have your Potae, you need to be under the sunshade in the junior lunch eating area. Looks like you'll be under the sunshade today.
Please make sure you are wearing your hats correctly. They are bucket hats for a reason.
Even if it clouds over, the UV still get through, so wear those hats.
On to today's notices.
Magazine team to meet Mr. T in the group room at morning tea.
Can all kapa haka children go to room 3 at morning tea today?
Please remember not to sit or climb on the new tennis nets.
The field over the road is open for all year 5 to 8 students during break times. Please be careful when using the pedestrian crossing.
Today we'll be holding the Year 3 and 4 Tug of War Inter-House Challenge. If you want to represent your house and you think you are strong, please meet your house leaders at morning tea in room 13.
We hope everyone has had their Potae. If you don't have one, you will be under the sunshade cloth in the junior eating area.
A reminder that there is band on after school tomorrow. Please make sure you bring your instruments. All gymnasts need to be in the hall at morning tea and lunchtime today for practice.
And that's all for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite papo.
Haere rā and stay classy, Winton School.